Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about BMW M8 Competition Coupe 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy BMW M8 Competition Coupe 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. Basic information. Brand name, BMW. Model name, M8 Competition Coupe 2023. Release date, 2023. Made in Germany. Body type, coupe. Warranty, 4 years 50,000 miles. Available in following colors. It will be available in Alpine White Black, Sapphire Metallic, Brooklyn Gray Metallic, Olive Man Green Metallic, Marina Bay, Blue Metallic, Skyscraper Gray Metallic. Engine type, 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 gas engine. Engine power, 617 horsepower at 6,250 revolutions per minute. Torque, 553 pounds-to-foot at 1,800 revolutions per minute. Transmission type, 8-speed automatic. Fuel type, gasoline. Drive type, all-wheel drive. Gearbox, 8-speed. Performance. Top speed, 190 miles per hour. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. Mileage in highway, 21 miles per gallon. Mileage in city, 15 miles per gallon. Seating capacity, 4-seater. Features. It has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, audio input, MP3 player, DVD player, touchscreen, front and rear speakers, electric folding mirror, anti-lock braking, rear seat belts, seat belt warning, and rear camera features. Suppose we talk about the entertainment in-car touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, front and back speakers, audio system remote control, electric folding view mirror, low fuel warning light, and parking sensors. Safety features. The safety features of BMW M8 Competition Coupe 2023 are: it has anti-lock braking, central locking, a backup camera, tire pressure monitor, power doors lock, child safety lock, stability control, rear seat belts, and crash sensors. For more comfort, adjustable steering, height adjustable driving seat, and rear leading lamp. Expected price. Price in Finland. BMW M8 Competition Coupe 2023 price is €139,095 in Finland. Price in United States. BMW M8 Competition Coupe 2023 price is $139,095 in United States of America. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of BMW M8 Competition Coupe 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.